Welcome, my friends. My name is my name is Luis Manuel Suarez Torres. I want to invite you to Cacota Norte de Santander, a pleasant tourist city with a beautiful beach and rich gastronomy. We invite you to the lagoon where you can come if you wish. Also enjoy the water and the park that is located in the center of town. You can visit us by taking a bus from the terminal in the city of Cúcuta. It will it will it will take you up it will take you about 60 minutes to head there. At night you can transport yourself in the beautiful dance buses. In the pine forest you can camp if you bring your tent or with offers it there for better comfort. Enjoy your bed and our delicious food. If you want to stay longer, you can stay at the hotel in town. We are waiting for you. Don't miss the adventure full of beautiful landscapes. To go. Thank you.